Hey guys, so this person that asked me for Robux, right? And I'm not gonna tell you who, but she wanted me to get it for her, so I was kind enough to go to her. But suddenly she said she was hacked. Then I was confused because I swear I didn't hack her. My whole life I didn't hack her. But then I started telling her that I didn't hack her. But then she was like, I know you didn't hack me. She was scammed, and I was confused. Like, I didn't hack her. Like, I wouldn't hack no one. I hate hacking myself, because I've been hacked a few times actually. So would I hack someone back? No, because I know how it would feel. Because when I was hacked, I know how it felt. So I know how it feels to be hacked and scammed, because it wasn't me. She trusted me, but now she made a video, and her channel is okay. I'm just gonna tell you this girl. Huh? And she went to Roblox for some second floor thingy. So then I went to, so after that, if I make another account and get her 400 Robux, she'll be happy. But then suddenly the bank denied it. Like, they denied the request for some reason, something about not enough money or something. So then I was actually upset myself because I wanted to buy more Robux actually. I actually wanted to buy more. But I didn't actually even mean nothing to happen like this. Nothing. Like literally nothing. And I actually upset the first beginning that she said I was scammed and stuff. Because technically, I wouldn't scam actually. I wouldn't scam. Now she uploaded a video saying something about her scamming. But now she's scammed on a Roblox account. So if you guys helping me and you have a Roblox account, please add Mia Wolfie131. And if she answers it and she says hello and something talks to you, then please message me back on MSP or comment below this video because I really want to help her. It wasn't me. It wasn't me. And she's one of my best friends actually. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please help her and me because I want her account back.